Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream biscuit. Start by softening ice cream slightly for easy spreading, then lay out biscuits on a tray. Scoop measured portions and sandwich gently, pressing edges to seal without squeezing out filling. Roll edges in toppings if you like, then place on a lined tray and freeze flat until firm. I'll share tips for flavor swaps and storage that save time and mess. Keep your workspace cool and work quickly to prevent melting while you assemble ice cream biscuits. Scoop even portions and place them on biscuits, then top and press to seal carefully. Use a chilled tray and freeze assembled sandwiches on a flat surface to maintain shape. If edges leak, scrape and refreeze briefly before serving. These simple steps keep your treats tidy and ready for gifting or snacking. Experimenting with flavors makes ice cream biscuits exciting and personalized without extra fuss. Try classic vanilla with chocolate biscuits, or go bold with mint ice cream and cookie crumbs around the edge. Swirl in caramel, berry compote, or chocolate sauce before freezing for layered taste in every bite. For adult versions, add a splash of espresso or liqueur lightly folded in. Keep samples small so everyone can taste multiple combinations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.